It's 2025. Don't tell me you're still struggling to fix your makeup. Move closer. Let me teach you how you can do your makeup. Your not just your makeup, your simple chic classic girl makeup with your day-to-day products. So move closer, let's get started. So first thing first is your moisturizer and your primer. And for me, I use Pond. So I'm just going to allow it sit on my face and then allow it to get dry. Then the next thing is we're just going to use our edge control to just fix our eyebrow. And I use this so because my brow would sit all day without moving. So we're just going to apply our foundation. I use about 3 to 4 pump for my face. So I'm just going to get my foundation brush and spread it. So this took some time, so I'm just going to allow it to blend properly. And just so you know, the secret for you to have a very good and long lasting makeup is your product. Make sure you have very good product and make sure you use amazing products. So I'm just going to use my mix with my blender, and I do this all the time because it just makes my foundation like blend properly with my skin. So time for us to use our concealer, and this is how I apply my concealer. Just 2 dots and then spread it underneath my eyes. This way it gives my face this lift. Can you see? Then I'm just going to do on my lips, my jaw, and my forehead. So a little bit on my nose. Then get your blender and then start to blend. You don't need to do too much, just little concealer. It's fine. Can you see how it's blending properly with my skin? So I'm going to do the same. All we have to do is just to blend, blend, blend. Time for us for our forehead. And this, just take a look, there is no filter. This is no filter zone. Look at how it sits properly. And mind you, I am not a makeup artist. So for my blush, I always use my lipstick for that because it just gives my face this glow that I want. And it depending on the occasion, if I want too much, I'm going to add more. But for this tutorial, I'm just doing a little bit, and look at that glow. It just sits perfectly on my face. At this stage, I'm all done, and see that blend. So time for us to fix our eyebrow. For my eyebrow, I do not do too much. So I'm just going to get my pencil and just do a straight line underneath my brow. I'm going to do that the same to the other side. And then I'm just going to just follow my hair through. That's all. At this stage, I'm just going to just follow the hair. You don't have to do too much. Just follow the hair. And take a look. Can you see how it sits perfectly? So I'm also going to do the same thing to the other side, and I'm going to get my brush to adjust my hair to make sure it fits in place. I know you love what you're saying, so time for us to go in with our baking powder. For your baking powder, you don't need to do too much. You just need to add a little to just uplift your under eye and give your face that glow it needs. So you don't need too much, just little. So time for us to fix our lip. So for my lip liner, I always do like a nude. I don't do something mild. So we're just going to line our lips, and I'll be using these two shades, like a dark brown and a light brown. So the darker one goes down while the lighter one stays on up. Just like this, line the lips, then smack and do the same until it's very visible. So I'm also going to use the other one, that's the lighter shade. Allow it sit on top of the lips. Smack, and this is what we have. So with this, feel free to add like a lip gloss if you want. So whichever one you're doing, both are fine, with or without lip gloss, it's fine. Then this is my face, so I'm just going to apply my powder around it. Just powder and kajal for under my eyes. I was trying to fix my mascara, but I could not find it. So this is my final look. So I applied
all done,
lip
and
gloss
this
here.
is the last step. So this is my Mix and Fix by Classic, and this has been doing a lot of wonder. So I'm just going to spray like this. Fun. I'm all done. Take a look at this beauty. So let me know, my sweet fingers lovers, what you think about this video. Would you like to see more tutorial makeup vlogs like this? Do not forget to watch our other videos. Do not forget to like, comment, subscribe. Show your girl some love. Hype your girl in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching my videos, and I'll be seeing you in the next. Bye.